Hey guys, I just thought I'd throw together this quick demo of Web Traffic Mastery so you kind of have some idea about what you can expect inside the dashboard and what the training consists of, because there is a lot in here. So basically you have different kind of modules that you should follow in a linear fashion. The first one is an introduction. Then we've got identifying your strengths. So really the reason it's going in this way, I should say first, is because this is really a fundamental way to make money online, and a way that people generally go back to when they actually find success after playing around with a lot of gimmicky ideas, which is really understanding which products work and then understanding how to get traffic. Now, even veterans of making money online are constantly looking for ways to get traffic. So really I focused on these fundamentals. The unique ways you can get traffic, the best organic ways to get traffic that are not often talked about. And I know that because I've paid thousands for training on lead generation and traffic, and most people don't do that. So most people don't really know the things that you're gonna find out in here with regards to get organic traffic, neat little hacks that, are largely unknown. As well as that, we're gonna go into obviously finding your niche. You don't want to be a jack of all trades, you want to be a specialist. So you'll see that here as we go through. So after the introduction, we've got identifying your strengths. Identifying your strengths makes you competitive in the market that you can end up going after. You take your strengths and you kind of apply that to what niches currently exist and what corner of the market you're going to get involved in. So a lot of people worry that there won't be enough traffic or audience within specific niches. So understanding that and covering all that and answering any of those questions or worries you might have is also in these two modules. So when what you want to do is, let's say for example you want to get into fitness, you got to think of fitness as like a big cake. And there are many people taking up space or have claimed a piece of that cake, you could say. But there are areas of that cake that you can, take away from them. So for example, the fitness niche is a good example. If someone has an all-encompassing, fitness brand, then they are not focused on, for example, fitness for women who have just given birth, okay? Now, if you're a woman who has just given birth and you're looking to get back into shape, are you gonna look for the generalist, or are you gonna look for that one guy who only focuses on the position that you're in, okay? Now, for me, most people go for the specialist. So we're gonna figure out how to become a specialist. Take your strength, maybe it is fitness, but apply it to the right niche. And the right corner of a niche, and then after you can take over that corner of a niche market, that's when you expand later on. So after you found your niche, then we talk about different organic traffic methods. Understanding traffic is really crucial. You might have think maybe, well, why don't we talk about what products to use? Well, products don't matter. They can be your own products or affiliate products. You don't need a product to do or finish or to make money with this course. But we talk about traffic first because this is the crux of the whole program. There are so many traffic methods in here. And then how do you turn that traffic into revenue? And this goes into more of the products. So if we just click inside, this is kind of how it's set up. So introduction, basically the course structure, just taking you through what will be covered, what you need to understand. The identifying strengths module, we have different ways to identify strengths, the best ways to identify your strengths. A lot of people, they don't really know how to ask themselves the right questions. So I've covered multiple ways in there so you can connect the dots and figure out, what you should actually be doing for a business, really no matter what it is. Then we've got applying it to your niche. So a couple of videos in there. And we're gradually turning what is sort of a intangible strength into a tangible skill, service, product that you can offer an actual market that is in line with that strength. And then the crux of it, the online traffic method. Now this is a multi kind of leveled I said it was the crux of the program. So these are not just one video, okay? So if we go into, say for example, SEO, you know, there are 4 videos just on SEO, okay? We also have manual lead generation, social media generation, then we've got some cool growth hacking techniques and some bonus organic traffic methods. There's one more unit I'm gonna throw in, which is a cool little hack I found recently to do with YouTube traffic and how you can rank highly for that. So I'm gonna throw that in here. I'll also maybe throw an extra YouTube bonus in as well. So that's the crux of the program. Then we're gonna go into turning that traffic into revenue. So a couple videos on really just bringing it all together and how to combine finding a good product with organic traffic. And essentially, you know, I said fundamentals, that's how you're gonna make your money online. Okay, so this is just a quick demo video so you know what to expect.